final time this season. Dim the lights, here we go. After the nationwide vote of nearly 100 million, the winner of American Idol 2009 is Chris Allen! Superstar, bro. You are a superstar. Allen, you just won American Idol, bro. I'm serious. You did it. Are you freaking serious? The underdog, the dark horse, comes back and wins the nation over. How does it feel?
It feels good, man, but Adam deserves this. I'm sorry, I don't even know what to feel right now. This is crazy. Thank you so much.
We've got something special for you. Please accept our new American Idol Winners Trophy as well. Check this out. You did it, man. Well done.
Oh my gosh. I already feel that. I mean, all these guys, I'm not here, like, I don't even know.
What do you want to say to the folks that voted for you?
Thank you. You guys are the reason that all of us are here. So thank you so much.
Two superstars, Adam Lambert and your idol, Chris Allen, ladies and gentlemen. A huge thank you to our wonderful panel of judges for this year. Thank you to Ricky Minor and the band for a stellar season, and especially you at home. Thank you for making this such a phenomenal year on American Idol. We will see you in January when we do it all over again. Now, it's my honor to give you, singing No Boundaries, your new American Idol, Chris Allen.